Okay, now we've taken a look at our first SQL query. What's highlighted at the moment is the next thing that I'm going to go to, which is this thing which is called a wildcard. So if we go back to what you've got to learn, whoops, I need to close that down. If we go back to what you've got to learn, at the very bottom it says wildcards. Learners should be familiar with the use of the star and the percent symbol. I'm going to add one more to that just in case. But I'm going to concentrate now on the star. And it only appears in one place, and that is straight after the select clause. So if we go back to this one, here I actually listed all of the field names. Now I've only got 3, so it's not an issue for me. But if I'd got 15 field names, which you can get in databases, then I wouldn't want to keep listing them all if it's the whole thing that I want. What I would use is a wildcard, which is the star. So star means select all the field names from the table users. And if I run that query, I get exactly the same result as this. So there we go, and it's identical. The issue with this is I can't sort of have select all and then name. That's going to give me an error. Okay. Well, it hasn't given me an error. It's actually added one on to the end, a second name. But that is beyond us. So we just keep it to select all from users, and that works as well in our MySQL version. As you can see, select all from users. Okay, I'm just going to type that in now. What I do want you to notice is that here it's got users in speech marks, and we don't really need to do that, not at the present time. So select all, and it's good if you think of the star as all from users, and when I run that query it's going to give me all my records in my database. So that's what that query means, or that wildcard. The star represents all the field names. Now, in the next video, we're going to start looking at this where clause. Okay, so select and from are on the same line, and pretty much all of these will be on the same line as well, starting with where. So in the next video, I'm going to start looking at why we use where.